Alright, what's up guys? We're going to do a quick video today, and we're going to be changing the cup holders in a E90 330 Xi. My son was using the car, one of his friends got in somehow while the cup holder was open, slammed against the cup holder and it was broken. So I hate the design of them anyway, but they're even less functional when they're broken, so we're going to replace the cup holders in the front, and there's also a strip that goes across the dashboard around the cup holders. I'm going to replace that as well. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, I'm going to try doing this while this thing is sitting in my lap, so if it's a little wiggly, that's the reason. Okay, so what we've got is this strip here across, and you can see over here mine's a little loose. Cup holders, this one comes out, totally flops all the way down, so there's a little plastic piece that was broken off, and whatever shenanigans they were doing with the car. So I'm going to replace that. The one I got off of, can't remember if it was eBay or Amazon. I'll leave a link where I got it. Anyway, the one I got came from a 335, and it's got a little bit of a little silver piece on it, as you can see, so it doesn't really match. So what I'm going to end up doing then is replacing both of them just so they match and it doesn't look as bad. And I also have a new strip. So the first thing you want to do is pull this strip out, even if yours are not broken, just to get to these cup holders and the screws behind them. So you just pull that out, and there is a clip on this side, and I'll show you when I get this off. And then there's two pins in the middle, and then another clip on the other side. So there's the clip on one side. Here are the pins. These two pins go on these blue receivers right there. And there's supposed to be another clip on the other side, but mine's broken, so this is junk. So we're gonna throw that away. Alright, so the first thing you do is whichever cup holder you're gonna replace, you just want to unscrew the screws here, and we're gonna do both of them. Alright, get the two screws out. Now I just pulled that straight out. There's the broken one. Replace it with the not broken one. It just slides right in there. So it looks like there's a pin here. This might be the only trick to it. There's a pin there. Chances are there's a hole inside the dashboard, so you're going to want to push it straight in, and hopefully it should. Yeah, I just felt it kind of plug into that hole, so now when it comes out it holds it all steady. Alright, so let's put these screws back in. That was easy enough. Same thing on this side, you got two screws. And again, the only reason I'm replacing this one's not broken, it still works. I'll keep it as a spare probably, but it doesn't have the silver trim piece on it. And so I'm just gonna make sure they both match. So pull that one straight out as well. That one's got a little curve to it, but it still's got the pin also right here. So that's a good one. I'm going to set that one aside. And my OCD cost a bit because this is a brand new one. I couldn't find a used one, so I had to buy brand new on this one. And these aren't as cheap as you would think. And again, although the cup holders suck, it's a really easy fix if you've broken yours, or if you want to replace them. Because really, I'm disappointed in the finish of the interior of the E90. So you'll even notice, like on the one I just took out, the finish is just kind of coming off, and it gets a little rough or whatever and starts to look yellow. So not a real great finish on those. All right, both the cup holders work now. Now, one little, I guess, bit of information is if you have a BMW that has black interior, or it seems like any other color than gray, it's easier to find all of these parts, and they're cheaper. So it sucks for me, but it'd be good for anybody that has those colors. Okay, that was weird. I guess another piece of advice is maybe start it from this side when you're putting it back in, because it didn't seem to want to clip correctly on that very end in that corner. So here's both of the cup holders. That one works. That one also works. That's it. That's all there is to it. This piece is broken. That's junk. And this piece is still good, so I'll keep that. Alright, thank you very much. Leave some comments below if you want to see any other repairs. I'll probably be replacing these door pulls at some point too, because like I said, the interior of the E90 is just disappointing with the quality, because the color on the gray just seemed to just get real janky real quick. So alright, thank you very much. Bye.